Hello, it is another day of crafting. I am going to make an egg today. The plan, paper mache. I went ahead and went to Party City to grab this 24-inch balloon. Unfortunately, I realized when I got home that it has a hole in it, but I'm determined to use it because it was a $3 balloon. Let's go for it. Step 1, inflate the balloon. So there's one hole right here. Ooh, I might need Wilson's help. Wilson! Can you help me? Please? Look. I need you to tape the hole. My head kind of hurts. This is 1 foot. This is supposed to be 24 inches. Wait, I'm scared. I'm scared it's gonna pop. Look at the duct tape. The sticky part of the duct tape is spread out. My hope was that this balloon would be big enough to cover my body. Why is this so scary? Okay, I think this is my limit. I'm really scared right now. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up. So you're supposed to use newspaper for this, but I really want to use my scrap paper. So I'm going to let this soak a little bit longer just because it's thicker. So I'm about to hit my 1-year YouTube anniversary, and last year when I started this channel, one of my first videos was a Pokemon costume, and that one has been doing so well. I wanted to celebrate my anniversary by making another Pokemon costume. I'm actually not a big Pokemon person. I don't really know a lot about it, but they're so cute that it's like such a great Halloween costume idea. So I wanted to give this one a shot. I'm really excited. I hope it turns out well. I just finished the first coat of this paper mache egg. Now I am just waiting for this to dry because I think I want to add at least 2 more coats just to make sure it is sturdy. I still have some paste left. This is actually lasting me a long time. That's where we are. Anyways, this is looking so fun. Hello, today is day 2 of paper macheing this giant balloon. Yesterday it took, I feel like all day for 1 layer. So today I have a helper. He's very excited. Let's go. Let's try to not use the same jelly blubber paper so we know which one's the top layer. So let's just use these. Wait, that's a lot of water. This kind of smells good. Maybe it just smells like bread. Carbs. Alright, while I'm waiting for the second layer of the paper mache to dry, I wanted to show y'all what I'm thinking for the rest of the costume. Togepi has pretty short limbs, so I went to the thrift store the other day and I was looking for Togepi's skin color, like a beige, almost like leaning towards yellow a little bit. So let me show y'all what I grabbed. I grabbed these long pants. This was actually in the formal section and they are a little bit too big for me, but that's okay because that gives me a lot of material to work with. They were $6, but they were 50% off. So it ended up only being $3, which I feel like is a great price for a costume. I am going to try and create shorts and also hopefully some sort of short sleeve top, and then that'll be Togepi's arms and legs. Second layer is dry. Can you hear it? Pretty good. My 1-year anniversary on YouTube. Woo! So to celebrate, I am going to finally pop this balloon. I've been stalling because I'm kind of scared, but I'm gonna do it today. Are you ready? 3, 2, wait. 3, 2.
What happened?
Do you see the hole I poked?
Where?
gosh, look at this. What does this look like? You wanna go to a pumpkin patch? Okay, I can already tell my hips are not gonna be able to go through. Rather than cut a bigger circle, I'm gonna start cutting sideways now so I can fit my hips through. Right now. I kind of want it to be higher though, so I think I'm going to cut a bigger hole on the bottom. Okay, I was able to lift it all the way up! Oh my gosh, and it's not falling down. Oh, okay, this is actually kind of uncomfortable because I can't rest my arms down, or my arms can rest like this, I guess, but I'm worried I'm gonna squish the egg. This is hilarious! Oh, this is so cute! This is adorable. Okay. While I'm waiting for the first layer of white paint to dry, I'm going to continue working on the pants and shirt. I already cut the pants the other day using one of my shorts as a stencil. And I also ripped the seams of the remaining fabric. I am using a pattern from Dressmaking a Mode for the top, but I did have to alter it to make it fit the remaining fabric that I had. In order to fit the front, back, and 2 sleeves on the fabric, I had to shorten the pattern a lot. So this is going to be a pretty short crop top, but at least the egg will be covering my body. If you're interested in this pattern, I'll have the link to the tutorial in the description box. I definitely need to iron it, but this is a hidden hem. Togepi's skin is done. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. The shirt is shorter than the shorts. Thankfully, the egg will cover this part. I tried some new techniques, so it's not perfect, but I think it looks all right. Hello, we are at a local trail about to take our final reveal shot. I spontaneously decided to make this head crown last night using the remaining scraps that I had left. This is literally patchwork. Every single triangle is a different scrap, but I think it turned out all right. So get ready for the final reveal. What do y'all think? I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I can't believe it's already been 1 year on YouTube. Let me know in the comments if I should make this an annual tradition. If you enjoyed this, it would mean so much if you click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye!